pretty excited with a lot of these cool pieces in here, so you guys stay tuned for that. But we're gonna go ahead and start on that desk over there.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Glenda Chavez, and on my channel you will find all kinds of DIY content. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this old French Provincial desk. So if you want to see that transformation, then just keep watching.
All right, so we picked up this load of furniture from a relative who donated it all to me. And so she said, do whatever you want with it. I don't need it anymore. So here we are. Pretty excited with a lot of these cool pieces in here. So you guys stay tuned for that. But we're gonna go ahead and start on that desk over there. So we gotta get it out.
I started by removing all of my hardware. I will be reusing it since I feel like the original hardware is really what makes French Provincial furniture unique. I suggest to always place them all together somewhere where they won't get lost. I personally like to use a Ziploc. Before cleaning the desk, I vacuumed it because the inside of the drawers were pretty dusty. I used simple green to wipe everything down with and made sure to follow through with clean water to remove any cleaner residue left on the piece. Once dry, I used 120 grit sandpaper to scuff sand. Always be sure to wipe away all of the dust particles you create to prevent adhesion issues. For today's choice of paint, I am using Melange paints in the color Knapsack Khaki. If you're familiar with my channel, then you have seen me use this color a couple of times before. I chose not to prime because it is a self-priming paint and I did not have any concerns for bleed through or adhesion. I always make sure to lightly sand with 220 grit sandpaper between coats to ensure the smoothest finish and minimize brush strokes. Melange Paints does an excellent job at self-leveling, so I have really enjoyed using them with a brush. I took a small brush and with a couple of coats of the color Talley green, I steadily filled all of the detailed areas. I took a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar and water and boiled the hardware for about 30 minutes. After the time had passed, I took a wire brush and scrubbed all of the handles and knobs to remove any old paint. I then set them all back to sit in the vinegar water mixture for an additional 30 minutes without actually boiling. Once the 30 minutes was up, I polished them with some fine steel wool. I used Varathane finishing wax for the top coat and applied 2 coats on the top. Take a moment to remember what this desk used to look like. And what it looks like now.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed the transformation for this Provincial desk. So I spent about $40 in materials, including paint and everything else, and I'm going to be listing it at $210. I spent roughly around 5 hours on this project, so I'll be making a profit of about $170, making my hourly wage about $34, which I am completely okay with. I hope that y'all are enjoying all of these videos. Stay tuned because as you guys saw, I have a full trailer full of furniture that I'm going to be flipping here pretty soon. So You guys stay safe, be kind. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye.